This is it. This one. G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, and welcome back to my channel, the Car Wash Chronicles. Today, back by popular demand, we have a special guest, Edwin.
How you guys doing today?
So Edwin, what are we doing today?
Well, people always keep breaking into the vacuum, so we're gonna try to install some new locks, and we're gonna teach you how we do that.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do because people keep breaking in and it's annoying. So let's go make them more secure. So these are the vacuums that, you know, get broken into once a month. You can see they've tampered with their hinges. So you open up these and they want to break into here where all the trash is. Usually I have a black rubber holder that catches all the trash, but they keep taking it. So I think we'll just do without, and let's check out the security device that I ordered from CleanRight, and let's see if you can install it. Do you think you can do it?
Cake. Easy. Let's see how it goes.
So I've tried a lot of things. On my other vacuums I have the big security bar that goes down here, but they seem to pry that off pretty easily, so that doesn't do that good of a job. A lot of people have told me just to keep locks off and let them access it, and I did do that for a few weeks, but the thing is, when I show up to the car wash, I find it like that, and when it's like that, the vacuum doesn't work. So obviously they're not closing the door after them. Would I put a sign saying please close door? No, because they can't read. And so we're going to try installing this.
So we got two little brackets. So I don't know exactly what it is, but
we'll figure it out. Yeah, I understand we got the manual, but I don't think we don't need manuals. We can figure it out, right?
Correct.
Yeah, we don't need the manual.
Okay.
Well, hold on now. Just, you don't have to ruin it, just in case.
It's okay. We haven't done it.
All right.
Okay, so
all you can see is my shadow. Let me get around here.
Okay.
So what are we doing?
So this one attach it, and this side over here attach it to the vacuum. So what we do is we're gonna mark the holes first. Okay. Make sure it's all lined up.
So we've got three holes marked, and now we have to.
And this one goes like that.
Put that one and then drill them.
Yep.
Good enough.
Good enough. All right.
Just do it and we'll find out, right?
Yep. And then
nothing professional about it over here.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Excelente. Is that it?
Yep. Now we drill it.
So after 20 minutes trying to find the right drill bit, because we just never put them back in the right spot, we just put them loose in here. I think we found the right one, so we'll give it a shot. If not, we'll try another one. Moment of truth. To be fair, these drill bits were really cheap, so never buy these because all they do is break. Really cheap. See, it's not even doing anything.
Keep going.
Okay, there you go. Just takes a little warming up. Alright. There we go.
And it looks to you.
Looks alright. Sweating there, huh?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be winter. What is it? Today's Thursday. We just got over snow and rain, and you can see people are coming to wash their cars, wash all the snow off. See, just broke. That's what I was saying. bet you never seen upside a vacuum before. Got 4 bags in here, 4 filters that you gotta clean out every time you clean the bottom of the vacuum out.
So what you doing, Chris?
Nothing. Oh, there we go. I don't know what I'm doing. Right
Just
there.
like that. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop anytime. Keep going. There you go. Boom. Solid. Good job, Chris.
Thanks, I'm an expert.
How you feel doing this?
I don't really know what I'm doing, but that's the good thing about doing it. You learn as you go.
All right. Next one. Nope. Go all the way in. All the way. There you go.
All right.
It's not working.
Kind of.
It locked in the back.
It's solid.
Okay. Come on, Chris. Put some muzzles on it. Nice. Solid. You alright?
Yeah. Let's hope it lines up.
Yeah.
Check out this nice busy road, Bear Valley Road in Hesperia. There's my car wash sign. Too bad I'm down this little slip lane here because you can't really see my car wash coming that way. But that's alright, once people know it's here, which they do, then you're busy. Busy, busy. That's the type of car you drive when you want attention. Alright, all 4 drilled,
Yep.
1 burnt, the other's good. So let's put the next one in.
Nice. Yep.
Look at that.
You got it, buddy.
This is it. This one.
Nice.
Uno más.
Uno más.
The moment of truth is here.
Nice.
Alright, they seem to line up
Looks
pretty
good to me.
So I'll go get that new lock, right?
Arnold. Got a new lock. All right. Oh, it looks good.
I searched online what the most powerful locks were, and this came up as number 1.
Okay. Oh wow.
Squire. If they want to sponsor me, go ahead. Send me all the locks, and I'll make you guys rich.
Wow. Good job.
Hold on.
Oh, one more?
Double lockage.
Wow.
There you go.
There you go.
Give it your best shot. Thieves. Double locked, ain't going nowhere. I guess they're coming from this side. We just got a new arcade that opened up right next door to my car wash, and that's open till 2 a.m. in the morning, so I'm not sure if there's alcohol being served or not. I'm not sure, but if it's like games and alcohol, then it's going to be like a bar vibe, which I don't mind. I mean, it's open till 2 a.m, so hopefully if it's busy and people are coming and going, you know, it might deter people from hanging out here, or homeless people trying to break in. If they see people around, that's going to help deter. So that's kind of, I guess, a good thing. I'm not upset about it at all. So good stuff, arcade. Might come play some Mario Kart. So this is the end result. 2 locks on this thing, 1 lock here on the hinge. I'll probably put another one there. But these locks, the Squire locks, they're legit. I mean, good for them. I just ordered this on Amazon, and I'm going to order a bunch more. I think it was like $40, but it's going to be well worth the investment because I'm impressed with them. Squire. So I'll have to get a few more. But that's the finished result. What do you guys think? Think someone will break in? Place your bets in the comments. Alright, we're done. Car wash is busy. We got the job done, and hopefully we made the vacuum cleaners a lot more secure so no one can break in anymore. I'm sure they're going to try, but I don't know. You're there every day. What do you think?
I think it's pretty secure to me. It looks good now.
Yeah.
So we hope people don't start messing with them.
So there you go. Words from the man himself, Edwin. Say hi to him in the comments.
Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.
There you go.